Today, we will be learning how to solve law of cosine problems. Here is our first problem. The problem asks you to find the missing side of triangle ABC with the other two sides provided and with the angle of 135 degrees. The first step is to write down the equation. In this problem, we have to find the missing side of C. The formula for that is written in the following. After that, you fill in the numbers with the following variables. A squared will represent 23 squared, B squared would represent 17 squared, and finally cosine of A is 135 degrees. Then we plug in the following numbers in our calculator. 23 squared equals to 529. 17 squared equals to 289. When you add those two numbers together, you get 818. Then you multiply 2 with 23 and 17, which gives you 782. Then you plug in the following numbers. 529 plus 289 minus 782, which you then multiply by cosine of 135. Then you put everything together. C squared equals to the square root of 818 minus 782 multiplied by cosine of 135. The answer would be 37.0, which equals to the missing side. Our next problem involves a triangle with two given sides and an angle of 109 degrees. Our objective for this triangle is to find BC. First and foremost, we have to write down the equation, which is the same as the first problem. Then we plug in the numbers with the variables. C squared equals to A squared, which is 29 squared, plus B squared, which is 21 squared. Subtract that with 2 multiplied by 29 and 21. Then you multiply that with the cosine of 109. Following that, we plug in the numbers with our calculator. We square 29 to get 841, then we square 22 to get 441. Then we multiply 29 with 21 and get 609, which we will multiply later with negative 2 and cosine of 109. After that, you add 841 and 441, which adds up to 1,282. Then you multiply negative 2 with 609, which gives you 1,218. Then you multiply that with cosine of 109. Then you square root the problem. After subtracting 1,282 with 1,218 and multiplying it with the cosine of 109, your answer should come out to as 40.97, or 41 if you round it.